Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Laptop AutoCAD and Mechanics. So today we'll be constructing this drawing, this second assignment. So like I said earlier in the first video, that the reason why I put all this dimension there is that number one, I can't be going from the material to the video, it is going to cut off. So that's why I have constructed the material before. So we are going to construct it in this right side. So number one, let's start from the downside. And mind you, if you want your if you want to be fast while doing your AutoCAD on your PC on your laptop, I will advise you to have a mouse, because using your cursor it will be slow. So for example purpose, I will advise you to have a mouse. So let's start from the bottom side. So the bottom side here, from here to here, is what is 14. So let's pick our 14. Like I told you yesterday, you can pressing L is good, but just know all this polyline is like, if you want all the lines to join together, this circle, this arc, and this rectangle, this center ellipse, this arch, this is to move, this is to rotate, this is trim, this is to erase, this is to exclude, that is maybe to cut off a side from your shape, this is fillet, this is mirror, this is to copy, this is like to stretch, maybe to stretch a line without you going back to pick another line. This is to scale, this is a rectangle array, while this is offset. So let's move on. So line, pick a font. Let's pick from here to here for 14. So this is here 14. So if you check from here to here is 3. So here like this, 3, enter. So from here to here is also 3. So 3, enter. From here to here is 4. This here is 4. So 4, enter. So we are not giving this slant side. So to get the slant side, we are going to get this back. So that's it. So let's press enter. So now we have gotten that side. So now we don't know. Wait, let me look for this dimension from here to here. Let me look for this dimension. Yes, I'm coming. So I think it's 10. So it's 10. So now let's measure 10. 10. 10. See? So if you look at this circle here, it is 4 diameter. So 4 diameter is the same thing as 4 line. So you can just, not to waste your time, just press the line, just press 4 first. You're still going to come back there. So we don't know. Let me check this dimension from here to here also. From here to here, that is 2.4. 2.4. So let's pick a line from here to here, put a 2.4, enter. So now you can connect this line together like this. You understand? So that's it. So you can do like this and delete this one first to get this midpoint for this one. So now let's now go back to our circle. 2.4 diameter, tap on it, look for the center. 2.4, 2.4, sorry, 4. So 4 diameter. You saw what I did? I went here, I put center and diameter. So this is the 4 diameter. So 4 diameter. Now you cannot come, you cannot, let's do the work of stretch. You can just do it like this. I can pick like this. How many? I'm stretching the line like this. So that's the work of this stretch here. So I'm stressing it. You know, if you check what I did not go back to choose line. I just tap on it. So there are more shortcuts. It's better to know the shortcut for exam purpose. So just tap here like this. So it will ask that how many measurement do you want to extend your line? So that would be 2.4. 2.4. You see like that. 2.4. So now let us just trim this part away. Let's trim this part away. So press trim. So that's it. So that's it literally. So what is it called? So this side, the diameter is 6. That will be, if I'm not wrong, that will be, the radius will be 3. So if yesterday, you can do it in 2 ways. Either you should use fillet, but fillet is the fastest way for exam purpose. You tap on this, tap on R. You know the diameter is 3. Diameter is a full circle, radius is half of a circle. So what is half of 3 and 6? That is 3. Tap on the 3. You see? But if you want to do it the second way, but that one you must know that one too, because there are some drawings that this flex won't work, that to be, you should put circle that is going to work, like when you did yesterday. So 3, don't forget. Put your 3, 3, 3. So enter. So you pick a circle. Come here. Don't forget our radius is what? 3. Put 3. You see now? So just go on and trim. You trim, you trim, 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 trim. You see now? But if you check, the fastest one is what? Is the fillet. So now we have gotten, so now what we are going to get now is this circle. This circle here. And I think this circle here is diameter is 3.2. So half of 3.2 is 1.6, if I'm not wrong. Half of 3.2 is what? Is 1.6. So you can pick diameter. Let's pick diameter 3.2 to diameter. So if you check, you see that there's no a particular side. There's no a particular side that we can choose. Okay, it brought it out. So this is it. Our diameter is 6. Just wait. No, sorry. I took radius. Let me choose it again. Radius, that is 3. So just be it's brought it out. So put your 3. I'm coming. Let's choose. Ah, sorry. I was looking at it. Is just 3.2. That would be radius 1.6. I'm sorry for that. So let's check it again. 1.6. Don't forget 1.6. So you see. So now what's just remaining is this our, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It just means this hexagon. So this hexagon is very simple. If you check, if you can, so if you check the diagram in the PDF, you will know that this hexagon, you are going to know that this hexagon, the dimension is not given. So how are we going to do it? To do it is very easy. So first know that if you check the PDF, you know that this single line like this, it is 1. Here 2 is 1. Here 2 is 1. Here 2 is 1. Here 2 is 1. So to do it is very simple. First of all, measure from here to here. 1. 1, right? So if you check, before that, let's move here. We have angles. Here. We have 30, 60 angles, 45. But if you check, you already know that this angles in isometric, the isometry we did the first semester. Isometry can be 30, angle 30, angle 90. So that means this hexagon here, the angle there that will be there to start from angle 30. So you know we have chosen one, and I told you that every measure from here to here is one. So just come here. It can't be like this. It's going to be like this. One, enter. One, enter. One, enter. One, enter. One again, enter. One again, enter. So we are done with our drawing. So this drawing is very simple. We are done with the drawing. So now what we just need now is to trim. That's all. So you come here, you trim, come here, you trim. What's happening? So let's just stress ourselves. Okay, yes, the reason why this thing is doing like that, you know, we stretched from here to here. So the line has joined together. So that was what literally happened. The line have already joined together. So we can just pick our line back from here to here, 2.4, enter. So you can now delete this line now. Delete. So here to also delete. Delete. So now we are literally we are done with our drawing. So we are done with our drawing. So you know, let's say now we want to pick all the drawing at once. If you check, when I picked this, it was only this one that was picked. So if I want to join all the drawing together, so I'll just copy everything like this. I will now press U. Go and check the PDF that we are given. There are all these shortcuts. There must know the shortcut. I will press U. That means unite, join. So I've already joined everything together. You see, I've joined everything together. So thank you very much. Like and subscribe. So we are done with this drawing. Thank you very much.